this is the first experiment. On the first experiment, I wanted to see if anything could be done about the drag, because obviously I had set this up and it kept rotating, and it keeping on rotating, this had been a problem. So let's play it and see what I'm talking about. See, the moment you put the play on, it just starts rotating straight away. There you go. So what's in the console is talking about missing component exception, with something to do with the what's this rigid body. It says no rigid body. There is no rigid body. Okay, I was going to explain just what is I set up this one slider here, so which is this. First of all, that's the prefab which I needed to take across, because there is showing sports car, something like that, sport car wheel. So if I can manage to, oh, it's gone. Let me try again. Let's try that again. Go click on here so we can get that come up again, so we can drag it into there. Hold on 1 second. Let's get to the bottom where it is. Oops, there it is, right there. So I'm going to try and drag the front wheel left to that point there, so it will change, and then this now allows us to set up on the wheel controller, and then we go down to motor adjust slider, which is that slider over there where we were dealing, where it is there highlighted. We also need to check here. So let me just go in and select the motor slider on there. Okay, that's selected now. So this sets it up to accept all the variable from the control script as well. I'll play it again and just see these fast results, how they come up. See if it makes much of a difference now. It still has a rigid body problem, but that I think is mainly to do with setting up the drag and also maybe adjusting the script at the moment. I will experiment more and more as I go, but as you can see, it's adjusting properly, and then it's skipping on the console. See what it's saying? It's saying log, and then it skips again. You should see at the bottom. It's saying look at the bottom there where the console is. There. If you clear it, this fault still comes up. The error still comes up. Okay. I think on this point I have managed to set it up. So if there were any other type of setup we needed to set up the script below that was in the rigid body. So we'll try this again. It wants to work, but something is overriding obviously the code or something like that. This is what I was saying. But on the next video, look at that. Still, the slider would not really control it. Our next video, there's two wheels over on the next experiment video, which I think on this point I have to try and conquer this fault first, and then make two wheels with both two sliders on there. I think that will be shown in my next video that is coming after this one. So this is experiment video 1. The next one will have two wheels on it and two sliders on each wheel, and we see how that will work basically on there.